In this video we are going to learn about problems on ages, and specifically we are going to learn about type 1 problem, which is very simple to solve. And let's take a sample problem. The problem statement is: 1 year ago the ratio of A's age and B's age was 6:7 respectively. 4 years hence, that is after 4 years, this ratio would become 7:8. What we are being asked to find out is how old is B, that is present now. This is now. First of all, let's solve this method problem using a regular method, and we will also be using a shortcut method to solve this problem. First, let's get the data right. Okay, so what we are dealing with, we have to be very careful. We are dealing with time 1 year ago, and we are dealing with ratio, and we are dealing with age. These are the three things we are dealing with. Time is simple, age is also simple, and when we deal with ratio, we have to be mindful of the fact that the ratio, that is 6:7, is not the real age. Something is hidden, that is the real thing is 6x is to 7x. Okay, we have to be very mindful of this fact. So let's draw a diagram for the given data. Okay, so we got 3 time period, that is 1 year ago, now, and 4 years after, and the ratio of the ages are given. Okay, that is 6:7. Now nothing is known. 4 years after, this becomes 7:8. The real age here is 6x:7x, or we can write 6x by 7x. After 1 year, right, we have to add 1, that is 6x plus 1 divided by 7x plus 1. And after 4 years from now, we have to add 4. So this becomes 6x plus 5 and 7x plus 5. This is in terms of the real age, and this is given in terms of ratio. How? This is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, this is the relationship between the ratio, that is 1 year ago, and 4 years after. So if we can solve this relation, then we will be able to get the solution. That is, we will get the x, that is hidden age. This is not age, the hidden value. Okay, so let's cross multiply this, and we'll get 48x plus 40, which is equal to 49x plus 35. Okay, let's reduce this. So we'll get, if you bring this here, or sorry, we can bring this side and this to this side. So what we get is x is equal to 5. Having known the x, right, we will be able to get the age of B now. Age of B now is 7x plus 1, and it is easy to get this. 7x, instead of x we can put 5, and that gives 35 plus 1, which is equal to 36. Okay, this is the answer, 36 years. So let's use the shortcut method to solve the same problem. So till this step, right, everything is the same, but how we deal with this relation is the is crucial here. Okay, so let's write this: 6x plus 5 divided by 7x plus 5, this is equal to 7 by 8. So here what we have to do is, we have to be mindful of certain things here. That is, if you have to use the shortcut method, we are this operation, that is the operation here, that is plus, and here also it must be plus. Okay, there can't be minus, and there cannot be a plus here. Okay, so we have to ensure that these two operations are the same, and these two numbers, the numbers should also be the same. So if these conditions are met, then we can multiply the numerator of the left hand side and the denominator of the right hand side. That is again the cross multiplication, but multiply only this. Okay, and multiply only this. Okay, and take the difference. Okay, so first let's multiply this. Okay, so 48x and I got 49x. Okay, what is the difference? 1x. Okay, so here on the right hand side also we have to take the difference between these two. So what is the difference? 1, and we have to take the difference and multiply with this number, that is 5. So into 5 is equal to 5. So here x, we have got 5. This is the relationship, or this is the hidden value. Okay, usually the hidden value is the HCF, and this you have studied in the, or you have listened to, or you have learnt in the other video. The link is given here. And when we know the x equal to 5, and we will be able to get the answer, that is x 7x plus 1 is equal to 36. Yes. Okay, so you might say that, okay, this is looks silly, so why I should use this, but getting 1 second less or solving 1 second faster will matter in the competitive examinations that you take for the jobs and other things now. Okay, so even a second is important, so don't think this is silly. You will realize this when you do the examination. All the best.